Hello, and welcome to the second part of our overview of ProjectTracker.net, our web-based project management system. This demonstration will cover the execution, management, and tracking of projects. TrackerSuite.net provides a role-based user interface, offering users configurable access to the tools and data they need. In this demonstration, we'll see how general users leverage TrackerSuite.net for their daily routines, how project managers utilize it to manage teams and projects, how resource managers utilize it to track workloads and activities, and finally how executives can utilize TrackerSuite.net as an online project office. Let's get started. As a general user, this is my TrackerSuite.net desktop. This workspace is comprised of widgets and is configurable. I can move the widgets around to suit my preferences, and I can even add new tools, like this My Projects widget. The desktop puts me a click away from all the tools and information I routinely use. I can check my current tasks and open the task form for more information. These task forms are pretty comprehensive. They even include a tab for profiling task-related issues and risks. Issues and risks can also be profiled at the project level as well. Any documents or files I'm working with are only a click or two away. TrackerSuite.net provides users with a single, central, online location for the documents and files they work with. Documents and files are secured with access privileges, as well as functions for check-in, check-out, and version control, which prevent the inadvertent modification of documents. When a document is checked out, its status is visible from the desktop. When my work on a task is done, I can mark it complete right from the desktop. Now I'll charge time against my tasks with a timesheet. The module I'll access is called TimeTracker.net, which integrates very tightly with ProjectTracker.net, as you'll see in a moment. If the work I'm doing is similar to my last reporting period, I can recreate my previous timesheet. Using drop-down fields tied to project and task data in ProjectTracker.net, I can quickly and easily create an accurate timesheet. On submission, the timesheet will automatically be routed through the approval process. Now let's step in the shoes of a project manager. This is the Tracker desktop of a project manager. As you can see, I have access to more options in the navigator on the left. I also have access to widgets that a general user does not, like this project resource graph. Now, the Tracker desktop gives me an overview of all my projects. However, if I want a dedicated view of a single project, then I can click on its name to bring up its own project desktop. As a project manager, I want to review the status of tasks in my project, as well as any issues any team members may have reported. I can do both right from the desktop using widgets. I can also dig deeper by accessing the project work breakdown structure. From here, I can view Gantt charts, earn value, planned versus actual time, and more reports. The cornerstone of any project is status reporting. ProjectTracker.net makes it easy to report the overall health, progress, and status of our projects. It even sends automated email reminders when they are due. Let's take a look at creating one. Now, if there hasn't been a substantial change in the project since the previous report, we can populate our new report from the latest one. In the status report form, we can enter a general overview of the progress, which will appear on the desktop in the status report widget. We can also provide greater details in the field below. We can also check off key health metrics for the project, review issues and the risks facing it, check its budget, and also look over tasks. If we're about to go into a meeting, we can export the status report as a PowerPoint to provide a presentation. Our next experience with TrackerSuite.net will be as a resource manager. In this role, our concern is primarily with where our staff are assigned and what they've been up to. TrackerSuite.net makes it easy to view assignments and workloads across the organization with resource availability views. From one of these views, we can easily drill down on resources to see what they've been assigned to. But this is only half the picture. We also want to see what they've actually been doing. To accomplish this, we can review employee timesheets, which serve, in their way, as weekly status reports. Our final experience with project execution in TrackSuite.net will be as an executive, utilizing TrackSuite.net as an online project office where the status, progress, cost, and value of projects across the organization can be reviewed. TrackSuite.net offers a variety of reports, including project portfolio dashboards, resource graphs, and more. TrackSuite.net makes it easy not only to track the progress of projects as well as entire portfolios, but to share this information as well. For example, we can review the overall progress of our project portfolio, and if we want to use this information in a meeting, we can easily export all of the data as a PowerPoint presentation. We hope you enjoyed this presentation of how TrackSuite.net simplifies the execution of projects. The role-based user interface helps project staff to work effectively and simplifies time reporting. Project managers can easily review the progress of tasks and projects and report status. Resource managers can quickly review not only the assignments but the actual work done by their employees. Finally, ProjectTracker.net serves as a project office for administrators and executives, providing a single location for accessing up-to-date reports on project portfolios, their status, progress, and costs. Please contact us today to learn more about what ProjectTracker.net can offer your organization. You can also register for immediate access to a free demonstration and have a hands-on evaluation of ProjectTracker.net today.